Hi everyone, it's Alicia here. Happy Monday if you're in Australia and it's Monday or wherever you are in the world. Today I want to talk about the Facebook algorithm. Have you ever had an ad that's doing really well and then you get all excited because it's doing what you want it to do, so you think, well, I'm going to increase my budget from $10 to $20 a day, or if you're doing $100 ad budgets, you increase it to $150 or $200 a day, and all of a sudden the ad just dies. If you've had that happen, drop a 1 below. I'd love to know. Now I'm going to explain to you why this happens and why you should not increase your ad budget by more than 10 or 20% at a time. Okay? So what happens is, I like to think of the algorithm as a big cast net. Okay? So you've got all these people out there, like think of a massive big lake, and you're running a $10 a day ad budget, say to 1 million people. So you've got this whole big lake of people out there, 1 million odd people, and then you turn your ad on and you throw your little cast net out of $10, okay? So your cast net's only small. So Facebook then goes out into what we call learn mode, and it goes out and learns who are the type of people that are more likely to interact with your ad based on what you're telling it, based on the interest, based on the objective you're using, conversions, leads, depending on everything, okay? Traffic ad, what is it you're doing? So it's going to go out and find the best people it possibly can in that pond of people out of the million in your little cast net and scoop them up. And that's how we get a lead, or we get a sale, or we get traffic, or whatever it is we're trying to aim for. So we get all excited because our ad's doing really well, and we think, oh, let's increase our ad budget by $10. So we've got a $10, let's just increase it. Let's put 20 on it. It's not like you're betting on a horse or something. This is a winner. I've got a winner campaign. Then all of a sudden your ad campaign just dies. Absolutely crashes, burns, and you just go, oh, that didn't work. Okay? I'd love to know if you've done this and if you've seen this happen before. Now, the reason why your ad is going to die when you do that is because you've got this little cast net out there of $10, and all of a sudden you're telling Facebook to go out there and double it, double the size of that cast net, throw as much on the fire as you can, and the algorithm can't handle it. So therefore what happens is the algorithm then goes back into learn mode. So therefore your ad slows down, it goes back into learn mode, and possibly even kills your ad because the algorithm's just like, no, you can't do this to me. We just had a little net, I was happy dealing with that, and now you've just doubled the pie and I just can't deal with it, okay? So what we recommend to get around this is if you've got an ad that's running really well, just increase the budget maybe once every 3 days by 10%, 20%, no more than that, because the algorithm can handle it and it doesn't feel so swamped, and it will just deal with it. You're not going to reset it back into learn mode. It can just go, yeah, okay, we can deal with this small amount, and I can keep going on my journey to find the best people for you and your business. Okay, hope that explains it. I've tried to explain it the best way I can. I really like to think of the algorithm as a cast net, and that all your people that you're looking to get are like in a big lake, okay? And you throw your cast net out and you're trying to pull them into that piece, okay? Budget depending and interest and everything else. All right, guys, I'd love to hear what you think. If you've had this experience before, drop some comments below this video. Okay, have a great Monday. Bye.